The last Thursday, the Great Hurricane entered Yucatan. It was a Category 1 hurricane. When it was in Yucatan, became a strong tropical storm. The second time, when it touched the Mexican soil, it was on August 20th. It arrived to the coast of Veracruz. In this moment, the storm became a Category 2 hurricane. This hurricane it was very interesting because it's an example of climate change. According to an article published in Nature magazine, in 1916 the hurricanes lost 75% of their strength when it was reached the mainland. And in recent years, the hurricanes lost only 50% of their strength. With the above, it was predicted that the hurricanes could pass the coast and cause more damage. It was interesting note to how the media gave more attention to the damage in Mexico City than the major floods in Veracruz. On the other hand, this natural phenomenon showed social difference. Anyway, this hurricane reminds us that nature seeks to balance the damage we have done. Also, how the human nature is full of inequalities.